Hey everyone, so today we're going over what is a proper hair routine, and I'm going to be specifically talking about some of my products, when to use them, and just a good understanding of what a proper hair care routine should be like. So first, let's start with cleansing and conditioning. So you all need to wash your hair, right, at some point. And I know there's so many things and so much, discrepancy about how often should I wash my hair and this and that. Wash it as needed. If you have hair and literally every single day you wash it because it gets greasy or oily or dirty and you just don't like the way it feels, wash it. There's nothing wrong with it, okay? If you maybe want to wash it every 3 days or 4 days because you need more moisture or you don't feel you need to clean it so often because it's not dirty, then don't wash it every day. It just really depends on the feel and what you feel more comfortable doing. So I would say pick a shampoo, and I have a variety. I've got my volume set, I've got my pure set, I have my hemp set. And just so you know, the difference is hemp is a very, very healing type of ingredient. So the hemp shampoo and conditioner is designed if you have any sort of scalp issues, maybe a very dry scalp or dandruff or anything where you have scalp issues and you need a little more of a treatment type of shampoo and conditioner. If you don't, you can still use it. It makes the hair feel very, very soft, and hemp is a really, really great healing oil for the scalp to keep it healthy in general. The pure set is more based on preventing, hair loss and helping grow thicker hair. So it's more of a kind of recharging shampoo that's really best for growing and promoting thicker hair growth, all right? And then volume, it's designed for creating more volume in the hair. They all make your hair feel incredible, and they've been huge hits of mine, and everybody keeps purchasing these, and they all seem to love them, so thank you all very much. Now, pick a shampoo and conditioner and use it when needed. So, when your hair is then damp, or it's wet, or you just got out of the shower, the last thing I would suggest is to take a towel and literally just rub your hair all over the place. That's gonna start promoting static possibly. It's gonna make your hair a bit more frizzy. Just lightly blot it. That is when you use 25 spray. Now we did update and upgrade 25 spray so that now it has a better nozzle, and if it ever gets clogged, just scrape off the nozzle. So now it's coming out at a much better mist. It's not shooting out like a laser stream. It is a thicker type consistency, so you will notice that, so give it a good shaking. We updated the smell, and let me tell you, it is the most incredible fragrance. I absolutely love it. It's when people smell it, they're like, oh my gosh, it's incredible. So we upgraded some of the ingredients, got rid of some of the other ones. The original 25 spray is still incredible. It's an amazing product, but we just made some enhancements on this with the bottle, the sprayer, and some of the ingredients and the scent. So spray that on when the hair is damp. Then you can comb through it and make sure you evenly distribute it. This is your pre-styling, your foundational spray. You spray this on anytime you're ready to style your hair when it is damp. Then, while your hair is damp still, you then want to use a secondary pre-styler, which to me, it's the product that's going to give you whatever you're looking for. Volume, light hold, tidal wave, right? It's our #1 selling product. This is when you spray on the second layer of the pre-styling. This is going to be the foundation of the styling. It's going to give you that hold, that volume, that texture. Spray 4 or 5 spritzes throughout the hair, and then if you feel that you have enough product in the hair, because that to me is enough as a pre-styler, then you're ready to go. Blow dry as you feel fit. I do have this blow dryer as well, and we keep selling out of the, I had to place a second, actually another order, all right, because I've ordered numerous times of these because they keep selling so much. But the great thing about this, it's awesome for travel size, so you can fold it in half. It's got the ionic technology, and we had upgraded these to now have what do you call this? Magnetic, sorry, magnetic attachment. So it comes with the nozzle, which I always suggest using, and it also comes with a diffuser. If you're looking to create some waves and some texture in the hair, then the diffuser is necessary. So the blow dryer is available. Blow dry your style as needed, and then you can finish it off with any sort of styling product, like any of my crafted products or the regular SalonGuy products like Clutch or Pregame or Success Paste, anything. That's when you post style it, and then you are done. So the hair care routine, again, it starts from the beginning to an end, an opening to a closing, the pre-styling, the preparation, and then the styling and the finishing. So that's how you have a proper hair care routine. Let me know if you want to share your hair care routine in the comments below. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. You can even shop right here on the shop tab on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.